Sorry, just the speakers there.
एक सेकंड
क्या हो रहा है?
ओके हर्ष क्या कहना चाहेंगे क्या क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स आ रहे हैं क्या कुछ इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए
Yeah, I think people have really appreciated the film for its visual beauty and its kind of poetic storytelling, and people have been very very receptive about the performance. And we were in London for the film festival. The film is at Busan today. It's going to be at Chicago next week. So it's a film that's kind of also a world film, and. Yeah, so I think it's great. I think it's obviously a certain kind of film. Maybe not a film for everybody, or a massy film or whatever. But I think there's a certain segment of the audience that's really appreciating the film for its beauty. I think.
हर्ष बीइंग अ स्टार किड स्टार सर कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है अपना परफॉर्मेंस बेस्ट देने के लिए उसके बाद
I mean, if you think about it in terms of this film,
सेंटर
yeah. I think if you think about it in terms of this film, I've seen the film many times, and I've seen the film with a lot of people, and I think in terms of my performance right now, if I could go back and change anything, I don't think I would change much, to be honest. I think for the particular characters in the film and the kind of world that the film was set in, I think it's kind of worked out pretty well. So yeah.
तो कहीं ना कहीं मतलब डिसअपॉइंटमेंट या कुछ ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि मतलब ओपनिंग को लेकर
Yeah, I think very good question. I think what happens is फिल्म बनाना एक चीज़ है, और फिर जब उसकी मार्केटिंग होती है, और स्पेशली दिस काइंड ऑफ अ फिल्म, इट्स वेरी समटाइम्स डिफिकल्ट इन 2.5 minutes in a trailer to make sure people get exactly what's going on. You know what I'm trying to say? It's एक तो दो दुनिया है फिल्म में. एक मिर्ज़ा साहिबा की कहानी है और एक आज आदिल सूची की कहानी है, और जो कॉमन लिंक है वो म्यूज़िक है जो लोहारों की गली से आता है, और वो म्यूज़िकल फोक सिंगर्स एक्चुअली दोनों कहानियों को नरेट करते हैं. दैट्स वन थिंग. सो दैट्स अ वेरी न्यू वे ऑफ टेलिंग अ स्टोरी. ओके. सेकेंडली, जब गुलजार साहब लिखते हैं तो शायद इंस्टेंटली आपको सारे वर्ड्स समझ में नहीं आते. आई थिंक एक बार इफ़ यू लिसन टू इट अगेन एंड अगेन, यू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ इट, एंड देन यू लाइक वाओ, एंड I think the way of storytelling is very lyrical, it's very poetic. और जो गाने हैं, that is actually taking the story forward, so it's like जैसे folk theatre में होता है या Broadway में होता है, that's kind of the way of kind of telling. तो I think बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें जो ये फिल्म में हो रहे थे और है, and maybe हमारा जो पहला theatrical trailer था, we could not communicate that as clearly. I think that affected the start on Friday morning. Then on top of that, I think it's so different. The film is so different that it kind of ranges from extreme reactions. If you buy into the world, then you love the film. If you don't, then you don't understand it and you just don't like it. So मैंने बहुत बार I had said in my interviews a lot of time that it's not a film for everybody. If you buy into the world, great. If you don't buy into the world, you may not like it as much, but visually and musically, it's still very enchanting. Obviously, there are no, item numbers or ज़्यादा dialogue बाजी नहीं है. It's not that kind of a film, So I think that is kind of reflected somewhere. And look, yeah, every film has its own destiny, and it's not like I set out to do a hundred, it's not like I set out to do a huge mainstream masala film and it's not done the numbers. I think with these kinds of films, if they connect, then they connect, and if they don't connect, then like Ux, when it came out, it didn't connect at that time. Today, people keep talking about the film. The same with Delhi 6. And when you're working with somebody like Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, that's what it is. He's going to push the envelope every time. Sometimes it may work, sometimes it may not. With Milkha, it worked. Nobody was making biopics at the time. Rang De Basanti was ahead of its time. But it's a film to be so proud of, and I think people will slowly start appreciating it. I mean, there are people that are already appreciating it. The only disappointment for me is I feel more people should have seen this film in the theatre. Now people will download it. It leaked on YouTube, or that also hurt the numbers. And people will see it on satellite when it shows on Star, and so people will eventually see it. But I think, with each film, you cannot achieve everything. You can't achieve festivals, film festivals, and all India box office numbers and overseas numbers. That's very rare, you know. So I feel with this film, people have really appreciated my performance. People have really appreciated the cinematography and the music. People have, I mean, I got to walk the red carpet at London Film Festival for my first film. Who has that happened to, you know? And that was amazing. We got into Busan, we got into Chicago. From now on, maybe I will kind of, I think Bhavesh Joshi is more commercial. So let's see the numbers with Bhavesh Joshi.
क्या compliment मिला अनिल जी से और सोनम से फिल्म को लेकर?
That you know you're very original. I think that's kind of the best thing. You're not kind of like anybody else. So. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay.
Years back, we were in play school, and
Can you guys put the camera off?
Arshia. Center.
Girls, 1 second, can we just surround the media card cover it? 1 second. तो सबको सेल्फी मिलेगी 2 मिनट मीडिया कार्ड टेक पिक्चर्स हो रहा पिक्चर्स
Yes. Got it.
ऑल गुड
So on. थोड़ा पीछे जाओ. Guys, थोड़ा पीछे आओ. मिल नहीं रहा. Excuse me. Hello.
थोड़ा साइड पे हो जाओ
सबको मिलेगा सेल्फी.
हाँ सबको मिलेगा
सेल्फी सबको मिलेगा.
थोड़ा स्पेस दो गर्ल्स
हर्ष look here. हर्ष ये हर्ष उधर नहीं इधर है.
वी हैव ऑल द गर्ल्स हियर
हर्ष इधर है सब
ऑल
लोग.
गर्ल्स
हर्ष look here.
Arshia.